What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about whether or not you need Canva Pro for creating your books, and I'm going to give you a few reasons why I use it myself. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about low and no content, then check out that link down in the description below to go to the LCB Vault. Within here I add brand new trainings every single week on everything I'm doing to increase my royalties. You can also get there by going to the lcbvault.com. So, Canva Pro for creating your books. Now with Canva you can create the interior, the cover, you can create all of your book, your low or no content book, just using Canva. It's one of the reasons why I love it so much. Now Canva is kind of like Photoshop for dummies. So I still don't really know how to use Photoshop or any things like any softwares like that at all. I can use Canva because it's all pretty much drag and drop, which makes things so much easier. Now, do you actually need Canva Pro to create your books? Well, the short answer to that is no. No, you do not. See, for a good, must be 6, 7, maybe even 8 months, I was just using the free version of Canva. It does everything that I need it to do. I can upload my clip art, my images, I can create the books, I can do all the stuff that I need to do just using the free version of Canva. But there's a few reasons why I ended up paying for the Pro version, which is this, which for me is $10.99 per month. I'm not sure what that is in dollars, possibly $15. If you pay yearly, you can get it down to $8.99, but I just pay month by month. Now, the reasons behind me paying for the paid version are, well, it just makes everything so much easier and much more simple. So a few of the features that I like and what I can't even talk. So a few of the reasons that I decided to go for the Pro version is you have unlimited folders for your designs. I'm going to explain what that is in a minute as well. You have 100 gigabyte of storage for your photos. So with me personally, I don't like keeping stuff on my laptop. So I still don't really have a computer. I do all my work just from my laptop because that's what I like to do. And I don't want to keep anything on there. So if something happened to my laptop, this actually happened a couple of years back, I lost everything that was on my laptop or stored on my laptop because I didn't keep it in the cloud. So with this 100 gigabytes of storage, any images that I get from, say, Creative Fabrica and things like that, I can upload them here to Canva and create a folder, and then that way it's in the cloud and it's not on my laptop, and if anything happens to my laptop, I'm not going to lose anything. So that's what I always do now. I keep everything in the cloud because, again, if something all of a sudden happened to my laptop, I can get a brand new one. Bam, I've still got everything because it's all in the cloud. So that's 2 reasons why I pay for the Pro version. With the paid version, you only get that 1 gigabyte of storage, which is still quite a lot, but you can only make 2 folders within the free version. And again, I'm going to show you what one of those folders is in a minute. Now, with the Pro version, we also have one click to resize your designs. So within a matter of seconds, if you have a design, so let's go here. If we go on here to file, no we don't, we go here, we can just on the whim change the custom dimensions. So all you got to do is click on here, and now if for some reason this book was a few millimeters off, or I wanted to change it to a different book, then I just come here, put in the new dimensions and press resize, and it does it within a matter of seconds, which you don't actually get with the free version of Canva. Now, another reason is because I want to upload my own fonts. See, with all these books being made and uploaded to KDP, everyone, or possibly 80% of people creating books, they're all using the same fonts. So how am I going to have my books stand out if I'm using the same fonts? Well, you've got to be really good at graphics, or you could just upload your own fonts. So I do get a lot of my fonts from Creative Fabrica, then I just upload them here into Canva. So I'd go here, this is on the brand kit, and then we scroll down here, all these fonts you can see, and then I just upload right here. So that's another feature that I really love. I love being able to upload my own fonts just because you can make better designs. So that's the 4 main reasons why I pay for the paid version. And again, you do not need the paid version. You can get started for free just using the free version of Canva. But what I suggest to do once you do start making royalties is just to invest those royalties into better tools for your business. Now, there is one more thing that I do like with the paid version. I don't really use it that much, but I do use it nonetheless, and that is download designs with transparent backgrounds. So if I were to get more into doing t-shirts, I could create the whole design within Canva, click to download right here, and you choose transparent background, and then I don't actually have to use a third-party software to actually do that, because I can just do it within here, the paid version. So what I'm going to do is leave this link right down below so you can come through and check out some of the features. Again, if you don't have the money to invest in the Pro version, then don't worry about it, just use the free one. But if you're already making royalties and being on the fence with getting the Pro version, I do highly recommend it, just because what you can do. Now, I almost forgot about the folders, so let me just show you that quick. If we come back over here, you're probably not going to be able to see this because I do zoom in on my screen when recording my videos. But right here on the left hand side is a folder named Folders. So when you click on that, it's going to bring up all this. And if we scroll down, I have all these different folders just here with all these different graphics. So with the Pro version of Canva, I can have an unlimited amount of these folders. Now, the point of these folders to me is I can organize all my graphics that I go and purchase. So this one's camping and fishing. So now if we click on there, I have all my camping and fishing graphics just here within this folder, which makes things so much more organized. Now, to create a folder is really simple. All you do is go into the folder section just here, create new folder, and then name your folder just here, but you just do that, and then all you have to do is when you want to upload new images to that folder, you click on it and then literally just drag and drop your images right into that folder, and it keeps things so much more organized. So we can have an unlimited amount of those folders, and we've got 100 gigabytes of storage just for $10.99 per month. So that alone is one of the reasons why I love Canva Pro. I don't have to keep any of these images, graphics, vector arts or anything like that on my own device. I can just use this, keep it all in the cloud, and because I create all my books within Canva anyway, it just makes sense to do. So again, I'm going to leave this link down in the description if you want to go through and check out some of the features that they have. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.